Hey there, Vanagon addicts. It's Ken Wilford here at Vanagon. We got our shipment of the H4 headlight housings in stock, and I wanted to just kind of do a little quick comparison here between the stock. So this is a stock headlight with the stock bulb. You can kind of see the light's yellow, and I'm not sure how good it's being picked up as far as light goes with the camera, but when you go here, this is the H4 housing. You can see it looks a lot brighter just in the picture. And then what I've been doing is trying to, it's not quite dark enough yet, but you can kind of see on the wall here, this is what the LED one looks like. And then this much dimmer yellow one is what the halogen looks like. So this is actually on low beams. Let me put it on high beams and get you another kind of comparison here. Sorry about it going all whatever. So here you can see this is the regular on high beams. But then this is the halogen on high. Like I said, I'm waiting until it gets a little darker so I can try to make sure the aiming and everything is properly done to make sure that we're kind of having a fair comparison here. But you can see it looks like it's putting out a lot more light. When you do, you can hear the fan on the bulb going on as well, which is normal. It's so low you probably wouldn't normally notice it. But one weird thing, if you put your hand on this, you put your hand here, you can feel heat on your hand, like from the light itself. But when you touch the bulb, the housing, it's actually like room temperature or less. It's not even a little bit hot. If you touch this, this is probably, this is actually would burn you, and this is getting there. Okay, so it's just, how they're generating their light on the, the regular bulbs, the halogens. I mean, they're putting off a lot of heat. They're using a lot of electricity, a lot of power. And of course on the LEDs, we're actually getting more light and less current draw with this. So let me go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and install this other one on this side, and we'll have both on, and then I can show you some more of that.